India's first and the largest manufacturer in the world today for solvent-based inkjet inks. We are making not just solvent inks, we are also making eco-solvent inks, UV inks, LED inks, ceramic inkjet inks, as well as dye sublimation and reactive inks, which are used in the inkjet world in different kinds of printers that are being sold in this exhibition as well as worldwide for inkjet as an application. When we talk about the products that we manufacture, we are the strongest and are supplying to many OEMs all over the world, including India, and are playing a pivotal role in digitizing color from analog to digital as much as is possible. We are being present in Media Expo for almost the last 6 years, exhibiting over here, and we believe the Media Expo is one of the best exhibitions that we can be in for India, because it gives the best audience that comes in and the best kind of people that we are looking for on a customer base, and it gives us the contact that we need for the same.
Epson India is a Japanese multinational where we have the presence in all over world, and here we are Epson India head office is in Bangalore, and we have the regional offices all over India. In Media Expo, we have launched new model. One is a bulking in a signage industry, and one is a CAD printer with the multifunction in a AutoCAD industry. It's a very good expo, and we have got the tremendous response for the new model of bulking and as well as our just new model of multifunction in a CAD series.
As a member of Fujifilm and Japanese staff, I'm very happy to contribute Indian market, Indian people with our product. Thank you very much.
See, in this Media Expo, we are showcasing our roll-to-roll printers, both 10 feet and 5 feet. See, the great part and good part from being in from Fujifilm is we believe in sustainable technology, which is green. So we are promoting UV machines, and I'm very happy and glad to share you that as an imaging company, we are now at this point of time in particular UV segment #1 in India, and the benchmark machines we have showed is like more than 150 machines, and we are getting huge response because all of my customers is our brand manager, so they can talk good about machines, Fujifilm's quality, image quality and all to my prospect customers. We are getting huge response in this Media Expo show. This show is although in Maharashtra, Mumbai, but we are getting response from all across South region, people from Bangalore, people from Chennai, people from Kochi is coming here. And as I told you that we have installations based across India more than 150. So they knows our product, they knows our quality, and we are really getting very good response in this show.
This Media Expo, we are using this platform to introduce two new propositions in the signage market for India. As you can see on the right hand side is the HP R series 4th generation ink printer. This is a hybrid printer which can print both on roll to roll as well as rigid substrates with white ink. So that's for the first time from HP we get this proposition to the India market. And the second highlight of the show is that we are also introducing soft signage through sublimation with the Stitch S-series printers, which is what you see at the back. See, these are the two highlights of the show from our side. Despite the virus threat, despite the slowdown, we believe it's a great platform. We have seen quite a buzz in the expo and also on our stall, and we are very happy with the progress so far.
I think this time good comparing last year. Most of visitors, come here to invest something. So we hope we can give some better solution to them. Then we can make some result here.
Media Expo is very good. Now Media Expo prospective customers are coming right now. and this year I think so we can close deals much better. Yes.
Yeah, Negi has been into this industry since 1995, and we are the distributors of Muto, which is a Japanese company, since last 25 years. And the other companies that we represent is Brother, that's for the DTG printers, which can print on the t-shirts. And then we have our own brand, which is Negi Jet, where we do the solvent printers and some UV printers. We also represent a brand which is Dukan, one of the biggest manufacturers of UV printers. And there we cater to a complete range of roll-to-roll printers, flatbed printers, combo and hybrid. So it's a complete range of printers that we cater to. And then we have our own brand for the inks, which is the Piezo inks, where we cater to the solvent, eco-solvent, UV inks. And we also represent Nazdar, which is an American company for the UV inks. Yeah, Media Expo, we've been there from the very first show. We participated in most of all in this thing. In fact, all their shows in Mumbai, Delhi, and in other cities also. And Messe Frankfurt, we have also done the screen printing, which is for the textile, and Heme Textile. Again, it's a textile show that we have done with them. Yeah.
This year we are showing two new models, which are Sonic, which is a high quality eco-solvent printer, and Flatjet, which is a direct-to-fabric polyester printing machine, which prints with aqueous inks directly on the fabric. The uniqueness about this machine is that it is using high quality eco-solvent inks which are completely odorless, and they help you to create an environment which is completely pollution-free and odor-free. For so much appreciation and response at the show. Look forward to see you again at Media Expo 2021 Mumbai.